Here we have the 22 model Beta X-Trainer 300 with the new engine. Inside we have a new piston, 73 millimeters bore now, before was 72. Shorter con rod, which will give us more RPM on this engine. New cylinder head, and the new clutch system, which is DDS, also used by KTM. On this bike I will put some extra parts in bling bling, which will cost around 2000 euro. Some of them we don't need it, but on hard enduro in Romania we need the extra protection, and we must put on the bike. So we have a new seat cover from Blackbird Racing, new handlebar from Magura, tubeless on the rear. We have a new lighter lithium battery, radiator protection from aluminium from Pitec, Pro-Link protection on the rear. We have a JD lever, clutch JD lever, front and rear levers. We change it. Also I changed the shifter lever. On the headlight I want to put LED one. I used also at my last 3 bikes, and I'm very okay with him. We put fuel filter between the carburetor and tank, aluminum foot pegs, hand guards from Moose Racing, new air pipe, engine guard from Pitec, put clutch cover protection and ignition protection from Polysport. Also on the rear swing arm protection from Polysport. Some of them we don't need it, but in how I say in Romania on hard enduro, when you go on the rivers or on the mountains, you need some extra protection for the bike. Also for this bike, after I put the air pipe, I want to put jetting for 300 air, and also the electronic control unit from 300 air. For the next modes, please stay closer to my channel, and you will see some interesting modes which I doing to the Beta X-Trainer and Beta RR.